At some point on YouTube, you should have seen one of these skippable ads and probably skipped one while trying to watch this video. At the end of this video, you will know how to easily create one of these skippable ads, promote them on YouTube, and what to do to gain more subscribers through them on your channel. Our objective in this tutorial are to create a skippable ad that shows only on YouTube, where the viewers can skip it after 6 seconds. That is, if they are not interested. We will also pay for every 1,000 views or impression on the ad. I will explain later in this video what this means to advertisers and creators on YouTube. And finally, place a subscribe button under the video ad, and when the user clicks on the button, it will prompt them to subscribe. We will create a video that looks like this and promote it on YouTube so that interested viewers can click on the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. You can give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't. So let's get started. Your Google Ads page should look similar to this. If you don't have an account with Google Ads, you can watch my video on how to create one. The video link is in the description. So before you start the promotion, you are required to set up 4 things, which include the ad campaign, ad group, the ad itself, and bidding amount. Never worry, they are easy to set up, and I will show you how easy it is to set them up. So to set up a campaign, click on Create, Campaign. This will bring up 8 options you can choose from. These options are objective specific in the sense that for any of the options you choose, Google Ads will make it easy by automating the process for you. And if you choose the wrong one for your campaign objective, the automation might make it worse by including some features that are not necessary for your ads, and you might lose a lot of money with little return on investment. For example, the objective of this campaign we are about to create is to reach people on YouTube only and not on websites and apps. So the video ad will run only on YouTube, but if I choose one of these options, the video ad we want to promote might end up appearing on other platforms like mobile apps and websites, which might affect the number of subscribers we want to get through this campaign. As you can see that a lot of money will be wasted. So I will choose the option Campaign Without Goals Guidance. This option will enable us to customize the ad campaign to suit what we want to achieve, which is to get people to see the video only on YouTube, and they can eventually engage with the video by clicking a button that will enable them to subscribe. I will click on the video campaign type because we want to promote a video ad. Then under the campaign subtype, select the target frequency and click Continue. So this will take us to the next page where we will set up the ad. On this page, we will set up the campaign by giving it a name. On the target frequency, here we will set how many times we want the ad to show to the same person over 7 days. For example, if we select 2, each viewer will see this ad only 2 times every 7 days. So your option here depends on how often you want each viewer to see your ad every 7 days. Then for the bid strategy, this is how you want to pay for the ads. So for this campaign, we will pay for every 1,000 views, which is also known as cost per mille or CPM. For example, if I want to pay $2 for every 1,000 views, that means if the ad gets 10,000 views, I will be charged $20. Then coming to the budget and date, we will set how much we want to spend on this ad campaign and how long we will want it to run. So I will enter $50 for this tutorial. You can enter more or less. This means that this ad will stop showing at the end of the period we selected or until the $50 we entered for the campaign is exhausted. So which of them that happens first will stop the campaign. And if you want the campaign to resume, we will extend the date or increase the amount. On the network section, this section is not editable because of the campaign subtype we chose earlier, which is target frequency. This campaign subtype is meant for ads that will show only on YouTube and be charged based on impressions. Now for the location, in this section, we will enter the location where viewers we are targeting are based. So you can go local by selecting streets or cities in your country or your area, or you can also go globally by selecting countries. Here, this campaign is targeting only people within Nigeria, so I will select only Nigeria. Then for the language, in this section, select the preferred language for the ad. So we will choose only English. Then on related video, in this section, we can add additional videos to the ad. These videos will appear below the main ad itself. And this is a great way to share more videos from your channel with the viewers, and this can increase the engagement rate of the ad. So we have 2 slots to enter related videos. So go to your channel, copy the link of the videos you want to add here, and then paste the links here. If you watched my previous videos on Google Ads, you can understand why I said you should create at least 10 videos related to the video ads topic. So this is one of the reasons. So when you expand the additional settings, you can set where the video ad should appear. So we will uncheck TV because most viewers watching YouTube from their TV seldom subscribe through their TV. So the ad will not appear on TV but on phones, computers and tablets. On the ad schedule section, you can set what time and days of the week you want the ad to show. So I will leave it to run all day. We have just finished setting up the ad campaign. Now we set up the ad group. Under the ad group, we will define the type of people we want our video to reach, their demographics, interests, and keywords related to them. So I will do some selections in the demographics and leave the audience segment on default. But if you want to dive deep into the people's interest and intent, you can browse or search for them. With this selection, we are done with the ad group setup. Now, we are to create the video ad itself. Go to your channel, copy the link of the video you want to promote and paste it here. Then select Skippable in-stream ad. As you can see, a video that is 3 minutes long or shorter will perform very well. But personally, I will recommend 90 seconds long videos or shorter ones. So the purpose of this video ad is to get more subscribers for the channel. So we will paste the channel's link, add a button by checking the call to action, label it subscribe, and you see a blue subscribe button under the video. So a quick tip here, paste the channel's subscribe link and not the channel's link. You get it? Paste the channel's subscribe link and not the channel's link here, so that when someone enjoys your video ad and click on the subscribe button, they will be prompted to subscribe. Now, this is how you can create your channel's subscribe link. By adding this extra text to your channel's link. You can try it on a browser to be sure that you got it correctly. As you can see here, it takes me to my channel's page and then prompts me to subscribe. Now we are done with the video ad creation. The final thing to do is to enter how much we want to pay for 1,000 views on this ad. Those of us from YouTube streets can relate here. You are now the advertiser, and with the amount you enter here, the YouTubers whose videos the ad will appear on will get 55% of this amount, which is their RPM. I'll enter $2 for every 1,000 views, which means for 10,000 views on this video ad, I'll be charged $20. Finally, click Create Campaign and your video ad will be forwarded for approval. So that's how to set up a skippable ads with impressions that promotes a YouTube channel for more subscribers with Google Ads. So there's a lot more you can do to optimize this video ads campaign we just created. I'll be hosting an online workshop where I will share in detail how I spent $70 to gain over 5,000 subscribers, thousands of US dollars in AdSense revenue, and lots more. So click the first link in the description to get an update about the workshop. And if this video was helpful, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and also share with your network. And let me know if you want another video on other Google Ads formats. Let me know in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.